Hi, hello, excellent slides here. We create excellent presentations. Please remember to like and share this video and subscribe our valuable channel. You can also follow our social media. In this video, we will together animate this slide. So as you can see, for right now, there is only a photo in the background, but if I click my left mouse click, the whole animation appears, right? And of course, there is only a title, so we cannot include on this slide a lot of information and text. But I think if you would like only to tell your audience, just let's say you are talking about something and your slides, yeah, you just basically you have a speech, I think that kind of slide will perfectly match to you. Alright, so as you can see, I have created a new slide and our background is filled with this color. And I would like to show you one more thing. If I insert any shape, let's say rectangle, as you can see right now, it is filled with red color. But also right here in format shape, we have something called slide background fill. So right now our background is filled with photo. So if I decide to fill this rectangle with slide background fill, as you can see, it is filled with our photo. Yeah, actually, it's quite easy and useful trick, but let's say nobody knows about it. So yeah, so we have to create this kind of rectangles. So insert shapes, rectangle. Of course, we have to rotate it to the same angle. I mean, it doesn't have to be really precise, but the more precise, the better it would be. Alright, I think that's it. So we have to insert here that rectangle. And now go here to shadow, and we have to add shadow to this rectangle. So select black color, transparency is 0, size 100, blur is 30, about 30, and of course distance is 0. Alright, we have to now fill this rectangle with slide background fill. Click it, and as you can see, it starts looking appealing. Alright, so let's create now those rectangles. So Ctrl, Shift and drag to copy that rectangle. But we would like to reflect this rectangle. So shape, format, align. No, actually, shape, format, rotate, and flip horizontally. No, actually, flip vertically. Sorry. No, wait a moment. Yeah, flip horizontally. Alright, we need to position it right here. Let me check it. Yeah, actually, like here. Let's create some more copy. Alright, send it to back. So right click, send to back. And of course, we have to also reflect it. I mean, flip. So flip horizontally. Placed it here. And I think we can change the size. And select the third copy. We have to send to back, position it somewhere, I think here. And of course, right now we cannot see it. So go to the home, select selection pane, and we need to make it a little bit above. Yeah, right here we can see this rectangle. Alright, so let's preview. Alright, I think that looks cool. Alright, the next thing is our title. So as you can see, mountains are awesome. Of course, Montserrat extra bold, and here Montserrat, just Montserrat. So that's quite easy. I will just copy and paste it. And as you can see, right now we can fully see this title. But on the original slide, this mountains word is under this rectangle. And it looks quite nice. So we have to click on this title, right click and send to back. And as you can see right now, I think it looks much better. And of course, also to this are awesome text box, we have to also send it to back. So right click, send to back. Yeah, I think, all right, that looks cool. But as you can see, the slide is actually, I have to remove this animation. All right, so as you can see, the slide is ready, but there is no animation. So let's start animating our slide. So select 4 of those rectangles and click fly in. And as you can see, as default, they are all flying in from bottom. But we would like this rectangle to fly in from left, so select it, and those 3 to fly from right. Okay, so now as you can see, those animations are extremely linear. So we would like to add smooth end. So select 4 of those animation, click drop down arrow, effect options, and right here smooth end. And as you can see, it looks, in my opinion, much better. But I think also it is too quick. So here in duration, set 1 second. And let's preview it. Yeah, I think it looks better. But there's also one more thing, as you can see. These 4 animations are played simultaneously. And we would like some delay. So select rectangle 10, delay 25, here 0.5 and here 0.7. Let's preview. Yeah, I think it looks much better. And of course our title, select 2 of those text boxes, also fly in, but we would like to fly in from left, so let's do so. And of course duration is 1 second, and of course we would like to add smooth end. Alright, but as you can see, to this animation there is an icon of a mouse. That means this animation will play only if we click. We don't want this animation to be played when we click, we just want it to be with previous. So right click and start with previous. The same with this one. And we would like to add a little bit of delay, so delay 1 second and here 125. Alright, so let's preview our animation, our slide. So as you can see right now, there is only a photo, but if I click, as you can see, the whole animation is playing. And yeah, and I think it looks really quite appealing because as you can see, those titles are flying from left. So here in this area, we cannot see this title because there is a rectangle that is above this title. I will show you what I mean. As you can see, we cannot see our title, but right here, it is visible. Yeah. So yeah, that's everything about this tutorial. I think you are doing well. So yeah, subscribe our channel because we record 3 videos per week. It's quite a lot. Give us likes below, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to post a comment right below this video. So have a great day and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.